Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Time FK7 and we're just gonna do a quick little video for today because as you remember, I did change my oil pan. No, not oil pan. I did change my skid plate to that Badann LV. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I changed it to that red skid plate. So today's video, I'm gonna do like a quick little follow-up on that product. So we're gonna be changing out the oil on the Honda Civic Sport. Let's go. As you can see, we have two doors, 1 and 2. This is pretty much how you access your oil drain plug, which is, I believe, located right here, and then your oil filter, which is right here. So we're basically just gonna unscrew this right here. This is a 10 millimeter. So you're just gonna take this off. And it's really, it just drops down like that. Okay, so that's loosened. We're gonna take this thing off. There you go, just comes out like that. All right, so now we have access to our drain plug and our filter. So it only took, if I wasn't doing this with one hand, it probably would have only took like 10 seconds to take each off. So we're gonna go ahead and change the oil on the FK7. All right, guys, so I loosened it, 18 millimeters, and the question is, will it hit the plate? That's the big question. So we're gonna find out now. Now for the moment of truth. Boop. So no, it does not hit the plate. There you go. Answer to your question, it does not hit the skid plates at all. So we're gonna go ahead and let that drain for a bit. So somebody commented, use a new washer. That is true, because you don't want to use a worn washer when you're doing your oil change, especially on the drain plug right here, because you don't want to have any leaks. We're gonna go ahead and change that, and I'm gonna link down below. I have a whole bag of washers that you can get on Amazon, which I'll be linking down below. And to tighten your oil drain plug, make sure you torque that back down to 30 foot-pounds. This is the torque wrench that I got off of Amazon as well. So make sure you torque your oil drain plug properly and put a new washer as well. So quick little hack. So if you don't have a funnel like me, I kind of lost mine. What I did was I took a old water bottle, or like any empty water bottle, I cut off the bottom and then I made this as a funnel. So that fits perfectly in that hole, and you'll have like a much bigger hole to pour your oil in. Same thing applies for when you're going to be putting old oil into a container. If you don't have a funnel, just use a water bottle. Just make sure that the water bottle, there's no water in it, obviously, because you don't want to have water inside of your engine. So yeah, so now that we put oil in the car and nothing seems to be leaking, we're gonna go ahead and start the car to test it out to see if there's any leaking. All right, guys, so now that the car is turned on, just let it run for 15 minutes, and we're gonna check underneath. Check underneath for any leaks. Let it run for 15 minutes. Alright guys, and there you have it. Simple as that. This skid plate from Badann is really worth it because it saves you so much time when changing your oil. Alright guys, so after the oil change, so since winter is coming up, even right now it's fall, we're gonna go ahead and add some washer fluid to this. Now I am completely out, and you want to use the winter formula. This is an all-season one, so this is good for negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit, which it rarely gets here in Pennsylvania. So that's one thing that you need to watch out for, because if you just put regular water in your washer fluid or in your windshield wiper reservoir, then that could possibly freeze up and cause damage during the winter season. So you don't want that to happen. I actually listen for the tank to be full. That's when you know that the tank is full. I'm not quite sure how much this tank takes, but this is basically leftover from the last time I filled it. So it gives you an idea of how much windshield wiper fluid this thing takes. So it takes about 3/4 of a bottle. So we're just gonna refill it. It's obviously not full, but we used 3/4 of this bottle. So that's just something that you need to do, you know, during or before the winter season to help you prepare for winter. Speaking of, I'm going to be doing a video of winter prepping your car in the near future, because, you know, winter is coming up. So I'm going to show you guys what you need during the winter and what you need to do to winterize your vehicle. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. Like I said in the Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Or if you have any future video suggestions that you want me to make in the future. Before I let you guys go, lasfit and I are collaborating once again to do another giveaway. Since it is Thanksgiving, and we decided to thank you guys for supporting this channel. You guys might remember my last video where I show off a cargo organizer from lasfit, and you all seem to like the video. So since I've gotten such positive feedback, I have partnered up with lasfit, and we're going to be doing a giveaway. Not only one, but 2 cargo organizers to 2 lucky winners. So how exactly do you join this giveaway? Well, you obviously need to be a subscriber. Like this video, follow lasfit on Instagram at lasfitautolighting, and me, Chris_Time FK7, and then comment down below what you are thankful for. Act now, because the deadline to join this giveaway is Tuesday, November 30, and the winners will be announced Wednesday, December 1st. Good luck. Anyways guys, thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7. Happy Thanksgiving, spend time with your friends and family, and peace out. You may remember from my poll on Instagram which Pokemon that I should use as a starter for this game, and the most votes was Torchic, so we're gonna go with Torchic.